going to see the importance and precious value of clock. So what do you guys think, what would be the scenario of world without clock? Obviously, nothing would be happen in a scheduled manner. Things will not work in a proper way. We will feel like the complete world is upside down because we are in that much dependent upon on clock. Okay, fine. For this are the need, we are aware of clock like we are in the 21st century. In a modern and advanced world, to keep a track of our work, routine, etc., we rely on clock. Let's see who invented the first accurate clock with a proper design. So the very first accurate clock is invented by Christian Huygens in the year 1657 in the 17th century. The design of clock is designed by Christian Huygens and built by clockmaker Salmon Koster, who was a craftsman. With the aid of Huygens and Salmon Koster, we are able to timekeeping. Before getting an accurate clock, there were many experiments was attempted by our ancestors. Variations of clock. Firstly used by ancient Egyptians and Greeks, they did the experiment with sun rays shadow, which is known as sundial. After the sunset, one could be able to figure it out, so sundial experiment was failed. Second experiment, the water clock was did by ancient Egyptians and Babylonians. One cannot keep a time measure, the viscous of water flow pattern. To calculate the time, cause one has to keep an eye on water level. As the season changes, there was a difference. It's a big drawback of the second experiment. Third experiment was the hourglass. Can only measure a fixed amount of time requiring frequent resetting. Wear and tear. The sand can wear down the glass and create inconsistency in the flow over time. Hourglass are fragile and can break easily, specifically if transported. So these were the known atoms of our ancestor, which has been kept in a record of a history list. There would be n number of atoms which is not in history, but we don't know how many atoms our ancestors would have been taken in. So by having a note of all this mistake, Huygens really took the note of the experiment which has been got failed. With the help of that, Huygens gave a very first accurate clock to this world. Let's get into the picture. So for today's world, we know without clock, it's very much impossible to rely on certain routine work or to go on a work, to do certain type of things. But what do you guys think, what would be the scenario in 13th century? Because till the time or maybe before the time, people have been got started to think about the time. From 13th century till 17th century, there were n number of attempts would have been taken place. But what would be the need for them to create or to give a thought about the clock? So as I googled what was the need and who had given a thought about the clock, I googled it in Google, but there was no response. My suggestion, I think before 13th century, I don't know that much of what the exactly things are going in history, because when we were in the time of like the Homo sapiens, for at that time I think people used to travel from one place to another for just seeking of food, just to have a complete meal food to that livelihood. So because to get a proper food, people have been started migrate from one place to another place just to have a proper food from plants. As the season got changes, people must have to migrate from one place to another places. They didn't know what is the sunrise time and what is the sunset time. People have been came up a lot of difficulties, like at the specifically after the sunset time. So that's how people have been got given a thought about to make a proper accuracy timekeeper. So one has to travel in a certain and specific time from one place to another. So for on my point of view, I think this would be the reason, because in the earlier stages there is not that much of work or routine based pattern. Our ancestors were more keener than us. However, it doesn't matter how much smarter or genius we are today. Without seed bowing of our ancestors, we wouldn't be that much successful. Still, we are walking in that path of ideology invention. Recently, PM Modi has launched the timekeeping of ancestor style. The Vikram Aditya Vedic clock was inaugurated on February 29, 2024 in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This unique clock, based on the Indian Panchang, is designed to provide traditional timekeeping alongside Modern time measurements such as Indian Standard Time (IST) and Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). The clock is mounted on a 85-foot tower near the government Jivaji Observatory at Jantar Mantar in Ujjain. So it's a small gratitude of the first beginning video of our ancestor, and also the importance of clock, which has been given an n number of attempts by our ancestor. So that's all about this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, have a great day. Please, if you like my video, please like, share, comment and do subscribe. See you guys in my next video.